students, welcome to our next session. Previous session we discussed the fundamental quantities mass, length and time dimensional formulas. Now we are going to discuss other quantities and their dimensional formulas. Here fourth one I am taking frequency. Frequency formula is nu equals to 1 by time period or 1 by time. So numerical values has no dimensional formula. So you can write it's basically m power 0, l power 0, t power 0 by time is t power 1. So numerator we have 1, m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. Denominator t power 1. It's in numerator side become t power minus 1. So we can write a dimensional formula m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 1. It means denominator t raised power 1 in denominator, it become t power minus 1. It means there is no dimension for mass and length. So its units are hertz. Frequency units are hertz. Or we can write from this dimensional formula, time units are seconds, so second inverse is the SI units of frequency. So fifth one, area equals to basic formula we know, length into breadth. So length, breadth, height, distance, displacement having only the fundamental dimensional formula L. So here L into breadth also dimensional formula L. So L into L square means L power 2 we get. So we can write this dimensional formula m power 0, L power 0, L power 2 and t power 0. L having only length having the dimension 2. So we can write m power 0, L power 2, t power 0. So there is no mass dimension and time dimension. Its SI units is length unit meters. So square meter square is the units for area. So next one, volume. Volume equals to length into breadth into height. General formula. So from this length L, breadth L, height L dimensions. So L into L into L. So L into L into L. So we have to write fundamental symbol, fundamental quantity symbol capital L. So here we have no mass dimension, no time dimension, but length is 3 dimension, 3 times of length now. So L power 3 we can write. So it is m power length SI is meter. So m power 3 or m cube. Next density quantity. Density equals to we have the formula mass by volume. So mass dimension is m and the dimensional formula for volume is L power 3. M power 0, L power 3, T power 0. So here we have m power 1. Numerator we have as is m power 1. And denominator we have only L power 3. The denominator send numerator side, it become L power minus 3. So T is 0. So length units is meters. Power minus 3. This is the SI units. Linear density also same. Density and linear density are same. The formula mass per unit value. So we can write this dimensional formula m power 1, L power 3, L power minus 3, T power 0. This is meter power minus 3. So Next one, speed, velocity. You know, speed is scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity. This formula is speed equals to or velocity equals, we can write distance by time or displacement by time. Distance, displacement, length, breadth, height, all are the length fundamental quantities. So it is length by time. So we can write, there is no mass dimension. So we can write m power 0, L power, L is numerator side. So L power 1. Here time denominator side. So we can write it t power minus 1. So from this we can write its units L liter, length meter and time second. So meter second inverse. Its units is meter second inverse. Next one, acceleration. Acceleration is a rate of change of velocity. Means acceleration formula velocity by time. We know already velocity dimensional formula. L t power minus 1 by time t means t power 1. If you send the time t power 1 numerator side, it become minus 1. So m power, there is no mass, m power 0, L power 1, L we have 1. So t send numerator side become t power minus 1. T power minus 1 into t power minus 1. T power minus 1 into t power minus 1 is nothing but t power minus 2. So we can write m power 0, L power 1, t power minus 2. Its dimensional formula is that one and units is length meter, time is second, so meter second power minus 2. Next one, linear momentum. Linear momentum, it represented by the letter P. This is the product of mass and velocity. We know mass dimension formula is m, that is m power 1. We already know the dimensional formula for velocity. Velocity L power 1 t power minus 1. So m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for linear momentum, and we can write its units. Mass we have units kilogram, length meter, time second power minus 1. So kilogram, meter, second power minus 1 is the units for linear momentum. Next, impulse. Impulse is the product of force and time. I, it represented by, this is equals F into T. So force, we need to know the dimensional formula of force. So we'll write the dimensional formula for force first, because force formula F equal to m into A. We know mass dimensional formula already, m power 1, and acceleration we know. Acceleration is m power 0, L power 1, t power minus 2. So L power 1, t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for force, and its units is mass kilogram, length meter, time second power minus 2. And this is nothing but Newton. This is nothing but kilogram, meter, second power minus 2, nothing but Newton. And here now we go to impulse. Impulse I equals to F into T. We know force dimensional formula. Substitute here. M power 1, L power 1, t power minus 2 is the force, into time is t power 1. So from this we can write its dimensional formula m power 1, L power 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for impulse. From this we can write its units. Mass kilogram, length meter, time second power minus 1. So next we go to work energy. Work and energy having same units and same formulas. Here work equals to, we have the formula force into distance. Force into distance. Force we know, already dimensional formula of force we know. M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2 into distance dimensional formula L. Distance, length, displacement, height, breadth having same dimensional formula. So from this we can write its dimensional formula M power 1, L power 1, L power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. And we can write its units, mass kilogram, length meter square, time second, second power minus 2. So kilogram meter square second power minus 2 is its SI units. So these are some physical quantities and their dimensional formulas. We have more dimensional formulas of some physical quantities. We'll discuss it in the next session. Thank you.